telltale sign that you need a new wiper blade. Welcome back to the Peter H channel, and it's been a long time since I've done a video. Well, for me it's been a long time, so it's been a couple of months. So the only tools you'll need to change the rear windscreen wiper on the Nissan Micra K12 is a new windscreen wiper. And apparently some of the pattern parts don't fit, but I'm fortunate enough to have got a pattern part which did fit. I got it off eBay. So that's one thing just to bear in mind, that it's got to be a part that fits, which sounds obvious, but it's the only tool you'll need. The new rear windscreen wiper from eBay. Okay. So what I did was put my thumb there to stop it pushing back down, and then used my hand here just to push that forward, just to release it from that little clip. So before I take the new wiper out of the bag, I'm just going to sort of check that they both look the same, which they do. So the only thing to remember really is that there's a profile here that's higher up than the profile there. This is the weather side, and this side, which hasn't got this raised part, this goes inside the arm of the wiper. So this is the weather side, and that's covered. Yeah. So what I mean is, there's a side that tucks underneath this shroud, and now what I'm going to do is just quickly tidy this up, get rid of the cobwebs, just with a piece of tissue there. Okay, so bear in mind what I said. Duh. So I'm going to put that through there. Now I'm putting my thumb. Now I've got my hand around it. I'm going to pull it in. Oh no, I'm not. Nothing's. Oh, I see. Sounded good, didn't it? So the angle was a bit different. It pushes in at sort of that angle, whereas I pushed it out at that angle. Right, that's job done. Thanks for watching.